Superfoods have taken the nutrition world by storm, and for good reason. These extraordinary foods are packed with an impressive array of essential nutrients, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that can work wonders for our health. In this comprehensive guide, we will unravel the mysteries of superfoods, explore their astounding benefits, and discover how they can revolutionize our well-being. 1. Demystifying superfoods. Superfoods are natural, nutrient-dense foods that offer exceptional health-promoting properties. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and other compounds that nourish our bodies on a cellular level. Unlike ordinary foods, superfoods go above and beyond in delivering concentrated nutritional goodness. 2. Unleashing the benefits. The benefits of incorporating superfoods into our diets are profound. These nutritional powerhouses can enhance our immune system, support digestion, and fortify our cardiovascular health. Some superfoods possess potent anti-inflammatory properties, while others are known for their ability to boost cognitive function and promote radiant skin. By embracing superfoods, we unlock a treasure trove of health benefits. 3. Exploring remarkable superfoods. Blueberries. Bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, blueberries are a delicious superfood that can boost brain function and bolster heart health. Kale. This leafy green superstar is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting an abundance of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals. Kale supports bone health and protects against oxidative stress. Quinoa. A complete protein source, quinoa is a versatile superfood grain that is rich in fiber, amino acids, and minerals like magnesium and iron. It provides sustained energy and aids digestion. Salmon. Known for its omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is a remarkable superfood that supports heart health and provides protein, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and selenium. 4. Embracing superfoods in your diet. Incorporating superfoods into our daily meals is simpler than it seems. Start by adding an array of vibrant fruits and vegetables to your plate. Explore the world of superfood smoothies, blending together multiple superfoods for a refreshing and nourishing drink. Sprinkle chia seeds or flax seeds onto your favorite breakfast cereals or yogurt. Replace refined grains with nutrient-rich alternatives like quinoa or amaranth. The key is to gradually introduce superfoods into your routine and savor the creative ways they can transform your favorite recipes. 5. Striking a balance. While superfoods offer incredible benefits, it's important to remember that balance is key. No single food can provide all the nutrients our bodies require. Variety is essential, so strive for a well-rounded diet that includes a diverse selection of superfoods, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Listen to your body's needs and make choices that align with your individual health goals. Superfoods hold the key to unlocking exceptional nutrition and harnessing the power of nature's finest offerings. By incorporating these remarkable foods into our daily lives, we can embark on a journey of improved well-being. Embrace the abundance of superfoods, experiment with new recipes, and revel in the positive changes that await. Remember, small steps toward a healthier lifestyle can yield remarkable results. Start incorporating superfoods into your meals today and pave the way for a vibrant, nourished, and thriving you.